Hi guys, this is your host Chanki, and today we're gonna discuss about some of the ligament tear issues. Before we proceed, guys, do subscribe to my channel. Please like the video if you find it good. Uh, Please do share and comment and down below. Your comments I used to read, and one of the comment I got regarding this ligament tear issues, what we can do. So guys, ligaments, before answering this question guys, we have to understand the functions of our ligaments and similar things like tendons or maybe fascia. So guys, what we say a ligament here is related to your bones to bones joints. Suppose there is knee and there is a lubrication of joints between those kneecaps, so that is where ligaments come into picture. Ligaments joins your bones to bones, tendons joins your muscles to bones, and there is something called fascia also, which joins your muscles to muscles. So we may get a problem in our tendons or maybe in ligaments or maybe in fascia. That is common because once we do certain movements which our body is not used to, then it can be possible we gonna get those micro tears or maybe some severe problems also. So that's it. That's what we have to be very careful while doing an exercise and all, because in every video I used to tell you guys that do some proper stretching workout before before going some heavy movements. I used to perform some heavy movements like deadlift and all, like the squats, deadlifts. There are a lot of older school workout what I used to I love to perform. But before jumping into those workouts, we have to make sure our body is ready to go in that area, ready to get those stress. So that is what very important, guys. I mean, you have to be ready before giving those muscle tears. So that's what we have to make sure our joints and also properly lubricated and it's ready to face the problem. So we have to perform some stretching workouts or some movements so that those areas are okay to take a stress, like your rotator cuff and all. So guys, there is a problem somewhere. We see ligament tears, might be tendonitis or related to tendons, or maybe some fascia tears. That might be possible. So the common thing is fascia tears because it is very much related. If you are performing some movements and first time if you go to gym and do some real bad stuff for half an hour or maybe 20-30 minutes or maybe more than that, you might see some muscle strain in the next day. So that may be the cause, because you have tore your muscles. So at that point, what is important to give your body those nutrients what helps to again repair those tears what you have made, and that's where muscle building comes into picture. The second thing is you might get some problem in your tendons or maybe in ligaments. Those problems can be resolved if we have not achieved those very severe pain problem. Then we can repair it, and our body is a very good functioning machine which helps our body to repair what wear and tear we used to give these body parts. So that's what is very important. So we might see there are like some players, maybe someone who likes to running, or maybe someone who likes to cycle, and they used to do it on daily basis, and might be possible they used to do it so passionately that they used to forget they are facing problems, maybe the pain. So at that point we have to make sure that what our body is asking. I mean, suppose you perform certain routines on daily basis, and you are seeing there is body pain, there is joint pain, then that is the time, guys, to listen to your body. You have to give rest time also. So suppose you are doing certain activities on regular basis, give it a break, take some rest, or you might do or you might incorporate like some different things what you can achieve to what you can do to achieve those goals. Like you want to maintain your body very toned and very healthy. It is not necessarily required that you do certain activities like running and all every daily basis. You should take break, or maybe you can add some different movements, like you can add swimming, or maybe you can do some normal workouts. You can watch, guys, my videos. That is also possible. Okay, so suppose there is ligament problem to someone. I mean, might be maybe some old person, maybe 50 plus or maybe 60. So we see there is some ankle problem to those guys. So guys, the very important thing is our posture is very important also, because someone who is not taking their posture, like see my back, if I used to hold it like this, and I do perform everything like this, and I keep it doing like this, and in long term what will happen? I might see my back problem, right? So guys, posture is also very important to maintain. I mean, you should be very careful. You should be maintaining those good postures. It's very important, guys. The third thing is you can do some if you already got those problems, if you are already facing like some injuries, what you have gained in some time, and then you are already facing it, then what are the things you can do? That is what we are discussing today. So if that is very micro tears, I mean, it is which is common nowadays, we can see. So for that we have to take rest, and then change your routine. And then if you are already facing problem, then what we can do is give some massage. Like massaging those areas is kind of helps to give some blood flow, and then it helps to repair. So massaging also kind of helpful at that point. Or else you can give some ice therapy, like in rotator areas. If you already face some problem, you can keep some ice bag for some time and give it time to get repaired or feel. I mean, that will definitely be helpful. So guys, if you got in very severe problem related to like ligaments, already you have tore your ligaments, there is no chances to repair by it on, then we have to consult doctors. They will be very helpful at that point. Might be surgery might be required. So guys, it is very important to see what phase you are in. If that is normal, or that is kind of up to level which can be cured by our own, then we have to start thinking on that, and we have to take some precautions. If it is not at that level, because earlier you didn't proactively cared for those areas, and you just keep on pushing your body, then you might get into that level and end up to see a doctor. So before doing that, make sure you don't get these problems. That is okay. We can get some micro tears in our ligaments, in our tendons, or maybe in our muscles, fascia. So that can be repaired. First of all, guys, there are three things what we can take in our mind. Let's take rest. Very important thing is take rest. Give some rest to those areas where you are facing problem. Don't just jump on and do some activities. Take rest. Second thing is, to give rest, you have to change some routine. You don't just keep on doing same thing. If you are keeping on doing same thing, you might gonna get some more injuries to those areas. You might not gonna give time to repair those areas. So change your routine. And if it feels really bad, what you can do is you can go for ice therapy or massaging, or both. That will be helpful, guys. So be safe, very important. do some stretching before your workout. And guys, um, mm, usually tendons problems or ligaments problems we don't see much, because nowadays we are smart to perform those movements, but it can be possible in our day-to-day life working things. Although suppose you are not doing some stuff on regular basis and suddenly you might got those problems. So that is okay, guys. Keep on keep tracking your pain level, or maybe you can what have I told you guys, just follow those things. And guys, be safe, very very important. I used to say in everyone in gyms also that first of all you push your body level by. Suppose guys, I used to nowadays I remember last time I pulled 240 kgs deadlift. But guys, it's not like that. If I can push my body to that level, 240 kg of deadlift I can take, that doesn't mean I just go in gym and grab the bar and just start with 240 kg. My body needs to be prepared for that moment. So I start with half of the weight, or maybe lesser than that. So that in some sets I can achieve my body functioning to that level. So that is called that should be there in your training routine. It's not like just go and push your body. It's like that you have to push, but your body should be ready. That is very important. Guys, take rest in your weekly routines. Keep changing on your routine, not perform same moment every day. And then guys, make sure you are safe. See you guys in next video, and don't forget to share, comment, and guys, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.